Hey, how's it going, everyone? It's me, Seattle Brandon here. I'm going to start a series basically going over nodes and linked lists. And so I hope you like what I have to say today. So I'm going to start off with a little visual presentation of kind of like what a linked list is and like what is like a node that makes up that list. So here we go. I got this over here. So a linked list is essentially made up of little nodes. And so I'll kind of go over what a node is. So basically like node is going to each of every single one, it's going to have a value in it. Let's just say 6. And then they basically the other part of the node is going to be like a next. So it's pointing to like the very next part in like a linked list. So it's pointing to like this next node, which could be anywhere in memory. And then this one, it will be pointing to another one until like maybe like this is the end of the linked list. And this would be null because it's not pointing to anything else. So like this would be like the hard end of the linked list for right now, you know? So basically, I'm going to go over how we would make these nodes inside of this, like inside of like VS Code in JavaScript. So basically we're going to set up a class for it. I always like to make it private because it's only going to be used inside of a linked list typically. And so we're going to set up a constructor. And so like in order to have a node, it has to have a value that goes with it. So basically we're in our constructor, we're going to have a value, and then we're going to have two different things for it. So we want the value that's in the node to be the value that we have here, but every node also has a next. So we're basically going to want to set up the value to be null, because if we're setting up a node, then like it can't have anything else pointing to it yet. We can make things pointing to it later when we set up our linked list. But as of right now, this is how we're going to want to set up our node class. And then I will get to you on the linked list here in another video for you.